All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. In Game of Thrones, winter is coming was the popular phrase from the show. Well, in the Game of Gold, delivery month is coming. And yes, September is almost upon us, and we will see how the Comex will deal with this, as the sheer volume of deliveries within the last few months for gold have exceeded the amount during the 3-year period from 2016 to 2019. So we're about to get into all of this very shortly. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. All right, so let's begin. We have a new one, Comex Silver in September. Let's get into it. We'll start with this highlight here. As you likely know, since the CME opened Pandora's box in late March, delivery demands for Comex Gold have exploded to all-time records. Since time immemorial, the volume of deliveries for gold off of the Comex has averaged below 10,000 contracts per month for less than 1 million ounces. See this handy chart from always gracious Nick Laird at Gold Charts R Us. Now, pay attention to this right side of the screen here in comparison with all of the other bars. What should catch your eye are the 3 bars on the right of the chart, which show the total deliveries for the most recent delivery months of April, June, and August. Specifically, those months totaled: in April, you had 31,666 contracts delivered for 3,166,600 ounces. June, 55,102 contracts for 5,510,200 ounces. August, 48,785 contracts for 4,878,500 ounces. Those 3 months alone total 13,555,200 ounces, or about 422 metric tons. Is this a lot? It certainly is, especially when you realize that Comex delivered more gold over just these past 3 delivery months than they did during the entire period of 2016 to 2019. That's the stat that I mentioned at the top of the video. And I start talking about silver a little bit to make a comparison and start to mention that silver also has a lot of surge going on in there as well. So let's take a look at the bottom of this. Finally, could this all be reflected in price next month? As you can see below, the recent pattern since Pandora's box was opened has been price up during the delivery month and then flat the following month. So be prepared for a very busy month of September in terms of both price and activity within the Comex vaults. The CME group changed the dynamic of their precious metal pricing scheme back in March, and the ramifications of this decision will continue to be felt in the days and weeks ahead. So guys, the clock is ticking and delivery month is coming. So there are a few questions obviously that immediately pop into your head in anticipation of this, but one of them being, will the price of gold and silver be affected? Now again, I didn't mention silver in this video. He talks about it here. I'll leave a link to this article in the description so you guys can check it out yourselves. But gold and silver, will they be affected in price? Well, according to this chart, it looks like we could have a rise in prices. Now, honestly, that would be, a bit of a relief right now after having sustained this consolidation period for it seems like almost forever now. But it would be nice to have some positive news coming from both gold and silver and prices, but we'll see if it stands or if the price actually rises in parallel with what we've been seeing in previous delivery months. So guys, let me know what you will be anticipating yourselves this September when it comes to the deliveries that will be coming just around the corner. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion.